Huawei, Wall Street Journal talking about federal prosecutors pursuing a criminal investigation into what Huawei Technologies has been up to, copying the technology of US companies, T-Mobile, etc. Your thoughts?
This is an incredibly important story. There are people who think, the Chinese are stealing intellectual property. Does it matter? And proven to be. And it's not just in America. There's been criminal prosecutions and warnings out of the UK as well, Germany, Italy, France, everywhere. Chinese-backed companies. This matters because Huawei is the world's largest maker of telecoms equipment. And guess what we're all reliant on? Telecoms equipment. It matters because your country is poorer when its intellectual property is stolen. And if those people thinking, but I'm sure we do it. No, if my company spies on a Chinese company, it's not the Chinese who are going to only put me in prison. My own country, Britain, will put me in prison for doing it. OK? So it's not, we do it and they do it.
But what, in terms of how this is playing out, what do you think the implications are of this next development in terms of the US-China trade war?
The US president, well, he's always made it a part of their trade war to say, listen, we're not going to turn a blind eye, as has been done in the past. We're not going to be softer on intellectual property theft, and we're going to shut down your businesses, your biggest businesses. We're going to start arresting your people. And I'm glad he's taken that aggressive stance because it makes your country poorer when its assets are stolen, even if they're intellectual property assets.
Let's have a look at